Hey guys, Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Today we're going to take a look at this 2024 Aquila 44. So I want to start on the bow. Notice how much room you have up here. Thank you to a 21 and a half foot beam on this boat. So ample room and ample storage from bow to stern on this model. Take a look at our first bit of storage on this boat is our lockers here on port and starboard side. Notice you have a molded in step down access to your water tank. And this is what I'm talking about with the storage on this boat, where you can literally put anything you want and have plenty of room on the top side to do whatever you want to freely. So I close this up here, step over here to the center line of the boat, where I'll have access to my windlass. And what I really like about this locker is as I open it up, great access to my motor and my freshwater water system, to where as the windlass is coming in, I can spray everything off, keep everything nice and tidy. Notice your handrails all the way across, safety, as well as all your cleats. No matter where you tie up, you have a good point to do that. Let's step up top to the bridge and see what that has to offer. Follow me upstairs. So we'll start here at the helm on the 44 Aquila, and where all you do all your driving from, center right here with a 12-inch screen, your Volvo Penta control panel, as well as your autopilot. It does have a bow thruster on this boat, so you're in a windy situation or a tight spot, you have that to help you, as well as your enclosure here, keeping you protected if it does get windy or rainy, or as well as open this all up, let the breeze hit you in the face and enjoy your day. So your L-shaped seating, storage under everything here, as well as your wet bar. We'll come over here, flip this up. You'll have a grill up here, a freshwater sink, and a prep station. So all your entertaining, you can do that, as well as my U-shaped sofa here, is where I can lounge out for the day, all my guests, and entertain. We'll step down next, and we'll go down to the cockpit, and then take us tour of the salon as well. See you down there. All right, guys, now we're here in the cockpit of the Aquila 44. I want to start at the stern of the boat with your davit. Support your dinghy so you can, moor offshore or off the beach, drive up, get shallow, dip in the water, come back on the boat in the afternoon, and this is where the entertaining part of the boat is. So my rear lounge here, table comes up and storage underneath. So no matter what you want to do from lounge to eat or snack for the day, do it all right here. And as well, where this ties in to my salon here, where I have my wet bar, where this converts out, connecting everything from the salon here on the cockpit deck, entertaining all of the guests for the day. Let's step here in the salon. So as we walk in, ample room in here, where I have my refrigeration here on the starboard side, my cooktop, kitchen sink on the port, and notice all the drawer space, where whatever you need to stow you can, and keep everything out of the way. Coming forward, huge couch here, as well as this table would lay down to convert to a fourth bed if you would like, depending on the guest you have, and as well here with my countertop space. So from prepping or cocktails, prepare everything here and have enough space to do it. Let's step down here in the forward cabin, which would also be your master. So plenty of headroom. Notice all the natural light here in here right now from our vents in the side of the hull here, as well as a little office space here. Nice view out the side of the boat, as well as you step down into the bathroom. Shower that's easy to get into, as well as your stool, and great fit and finish down there. Makes you feel right at home on the water. So as we step back up top now, back into the salon, we'll look at our other two port and starboard bathrooms and heads. So we step down below, two stairways go down each side, which is nice with the catamaran because it gives you so much room and gives you that 3-bed, 3-bath layout throughout the boat. So berths here, and what is nice, I like the AC control for each room, so everything can be set the temperature you like. And as well as we turn around, notice our bath and shower there, All right, let's step back up top. Guys, here, Ben Finley at MarineMax Panama City Beach. Come by and take a look at the 44 Aquila in person today. Have a good one.